Welcome to creating your CO2 car with Sketchup. We have the template that I've created for you. You've downloaded that from Schoology or the website and gotten the template file here. And we've opened it up in Sketchup. So it says new car blank 1 or new car blank 1 here, Sketchup. The first thing we need to do is save that file. So we're going to go File, Save As, and we're going to put it into a folder that we know where it is. So we start out in the downloads. I don't want it in downloads. Maybe I want it in desktop, or I want it on, if you're at RMS, we need to put it into your student drive underneath computer. So mine, I'm going to go to desktop, and I always name it same way, your hour first, and then my username, because that captures my last name and my first name, so we get it in alphabetical order. And then I put car design and hit save. And I can see up here that it is created my file name. Next part we're working with is looking at our toolbars here. We need a few more toolbars. You first come up with getting started. I want a few more. I always like large tool set. I always like to turn on standard, and I always like to turn on views. So how I'm clicking here, you might be clicking along with me and trying to turn those on, but how I click on that is I right click on it, and then I can turn it on large tool set, standard, and views. So getting started, large tool set, standard, views. And to tell you the truth, getting started here, I can actually turn off if I want to. And I have work that I can do here. So it's got my undo, redo button. It's got all my toolbars on the left-hand side. So that's the basic to getting your car on here and getting your toolbars done.